to or ing? Which one do you prefer to use? Actually, when I say prefer, it's totally wrong because it is not about your preference. It's all about knowing some words. Actually, there are some words you have to use to after them, and some you have to use ing after them. Actually, it is easy to understand this topic, and you can find the video in my channel about the verbs that are followed by to and ing. Alright, so you can find it in my channel. Be with me in this video, and you are going to learn extra words for that. Hi everyone, welcome to English Sprint. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and let them know the words. Actually, the words that we are going to talk about today in this video are these. You can see in this slide. Ask, know, decide, remember, forget, learn, explain, understand, wonder, show, tell, ask, advise, and teach. Actually, uh, in two parts, I have taught you 20 words that followed by to. Actually, 20 verbs that followed by to. But these are extra words here. But in this lesson, there is something new for them. Let's talk about this. But before that, after these words, you have to use to. Okay? For example, ask to. Okay? Know to. Decide to. Okay? So let's see some examples and you will understand what I am talking about. The first one is yesterday I asked my friends to join me for coffee. Okay? Asked to join me for coffee. Do you know what to do on a lazy Friday? So, here I use WH questions like what, when, how, where. Okay? So, do you know what to do on a lazy Friday? So, what? It doesn't matter you use WH or you want to say a simple sentence. You have to use to after these verbs. Remember to relax and enjoy your weekend. I wonder what fun things we can do today. Alright? She explained how to make the perfect pancake. I want to teach you how to use these verbs correctly. So I want to teach you how to use these verbs correctly. He showed me how to ride a bike safely. Alright, so now it's your turn. You have learned lots of words that followed by to. Actually, lots of verbs that followed by to. But it's your turn to comment a sentence with one of words you have learned, actually in this video. For example, decide, ask, know, remember, forget, and so on and so far. So it's your turn to comment below a sentence and I will correct your mistakes. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video until the end. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell to get notified of my videos. Thanks a lot, have a nice day, and goodbye.